hard to be a babe and eat a chocolate brownie when you keep biting your own finger. Oh, that's a big bite. Is that brownie so good? Yummy. I just keep biting my own finger, Bobby. It's hard work. Brownie. Is that good? Is it chocolate? Yummy, yummy. Alright, we need to get ready for the storm. We need to get ready. We make brownies. That's not going to help us much when the power goes out, though, so we gotta fill these with water. And I've already done the chicken beds out here. Those are fresh. I'm gonna go get the girls soon because I think it's about 24 degrees out right now. It's really cold. There's little Carmen. All right, let's get ready. It's starting to snow. Here's our front yard. I put my van around the circle. I fed all the birds outside. And I put the Land Rover right there. So then I just have to dig the van out from there to the road, which will be fun. I can do it. Hello, doggy. Hello, baby. I got the kerosene heater in here. I got the baby gate for around the kerosene heater. I have water for animals. The basement tub is full. And the chickens are ready. I'm making a sweet potato and broccoli and salmon. Give me super energy to shovel. We're ready to go. All the snowsuits are ready. Quinn's playing in her sled so we can go outside. Tara's looking for food nonstop. Tara, that's not yours. Drop it. Quinn went in and put on her fro dress because it's snowing out. Elsa, are you making all this snow? That's a lot of snow. Where's your castle? There it is. Your fro castle's out there?
Pink. Pink bun.
That's weird. Snowing pretty hard. Time to go get the eggs and bring in our chickens from the storm. My snow tent fell. We gotta shovel this off too. Look how much, we already probably have 2 inches. Let's go, little girl. Come on, Elsa. You got your Elsa dress on? Let's go. I got you.
I got you.
Follow me. Come on. Or let's take the long way. Come on, it's easier.
It's easier.
Hello, Elsa.
Look, Mommy!
What? Tara and Jeb loves the snow. Look at them. Happy dogs.
Yep, that's because it covers snow.
Yeah, Daddy's car is covered in snow. So is Mama's car.
That's so funny.
Jeb loves the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, Jebby.
This covers snow, Mommy.
Let's do it.
Yes. I can.
just let the dogs out the front. And I took a shower because I don't know how much longer we'll have power. Hi, guys. But the cars are covered with another 8 inches or so. They're totally snowed under. Look at the Land Rover. Really cold. All those sweet little winter birds. I filled that feeder yesterday, and now it's empty again. So I have to go back out there. I'll bring the bird seed when I go out to shovel. Look at that. Look at that, Quinn. They eat the whole feeder up so fast.
Oh.
So cute.
You get this row. You get a whole village cover row.
Yeah, the wind's still blowing. Pretty good out there. The glass is fogging up. It hurts. All right, let's get you dressed. Come on. Mommy already got dressed. All right, we got to break all these icicles off because this isn't safe. Having this many spiky things hanging down around my babies. So I'm going to break them all off with the shovel, okay? You want to watch?
I'll go over there.
Yeah, you go safe over there. Can you walk? You got it. You're tough, Quinny. Get him. Get him. It's too deep. I'm so worried about my little birds outside. Look how cute they are. They've got bread and cracked corn and bird seed. The dogs are being very good.
And alpaca.
More painting, right? We made a Quinny handprint leghorn. And a baby Shar red hen.
And me.
And Babe's painting. What can we make? What can we... it's not dry yet, baby.
It's that mine. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.